So what is Restore?
So what we thought is that if we were able to create a very easy to use software to improve all of your photos, whether they be old, faded, color, black and white, sepia, and even your new photos, that might be nice for the marketplace, for people to be able to improve their photos. So that's what we invented, a quick and easy, affordable way for folks to be able to improve their photos.
So what makes Restore unique?
Great question. The biggest thing is our speed. We have patented algorithms in order to be able to quickly and easily understand how to improve the color, contrast, sharpness, and brightness of a photo. And then as everyone sees lightness and contrast a little bit differently, we put up a 9-up screen with 9 thumbnails of each of the image corrections. And that allows somebody to be able to select the photo that looks best to them, and then easy to use sliders. So we, I guess what makes us different than some of the other software programs is you generally are able to fix a photo in less than 20 seconds, where a lot of other programs might take quite a long time.
So can you give us a little demonstration?
Is look down into your image folder.
So you touch the photo.
And grab
This one here.
grab a couple of pics. You can grab a color and a black and white.
Great.
As everyone sees lightness and contrast differently, you choose the one that looks best to you. So why don't we just start with the middle?
Okay.
So here's the original photo, and with one click, we brought back a lot more color.
Yeah, much brighter.
What's fun is that if you want, you can just go back and forth in between a couple of different choices and see which is the one that looks best to you. Then if you want to fine-tune, quickly and easily you can fine-tune. We never affect the original, so the original image 123 JPEG, 123 TIFF is changed so that it extends to 123 Vivid JPEG or TIFF. In a output subdirectory, you're able to mark down whether it was a vacation or whether you're remembering a holiday or different people that are within your photos. And within a subdirectory of your original photos, all of your improved photos go into that subdirectory. And now this, as you look inside of some of our earlier improvements, we had images from China trip, we had people, other travel, individual people. So you're able to just create this repository and start to organize your photos. And if you're happy with your pic, save Vivid-Pix. The next picture comes up automatically. This could be a black and white photo of my aunt. And so it's a 75-year-old photo, and in the original photo, there's really nothing there.
Yeah.
But we're able to see more information in order to be able to improve the photo quickly and easily.
Right.
And what I like about this is I'm just going to darken it up just a little bit. And now all of a sudden this beautiful blouse you're able to begin seeing.
Yeah.
And then because it's a 75-year-old photo, it is actually a black and white. So with one click I can turn it into a black and white. Or I like a little bit of that aged fade as well. So I prefer this to be improved to bring forth the image, but then to leave a little bit of fade. So that's an example of what Vivid-Pix Restore does.
Oh, well, thank you very much.